If you're only buying gold and silver or sitting on cash in 2026, you are missing the bigger picture. 2026 is not just about gold and silver. Yes, they are part of the strategy, but not the entire story. So, to win in 2026, you have to zoom out and look at a bigger global and Indian trends. Number one is India's defense push. India is likely to expand its defense budget in February 2026, strengthening long term military and manufacturing capabilities. Defense, capital goods, and strategic suppliers stand to benefit. Number two, interest rates and growth. If the RBI cuts repo rates further, borrowing becomes cheaper, which typically boosts economic activity. And sectors like automobile, finance, real estate are going to expand. Third, AI is no longer optional. AI continues to scale at a massive pace. Global AI spending is projected to reach 2.5 trillion in 2026. This isn't just the hype, it's infrastructure level adoption. Number four, it's not just about gold and silver. Industrial metals like copper and aluminium are gaining the momentum. Demand from EVs, solar, power grids, and infrastructure keeps rising. So in January alone, copper ETFs jumped nearly 18%. Then comes the inflation reality. Inflation is a silent tax. Even when inflation looks controlled, the purchasing power of the cash keeps declining. More money printing, more currency in the system. So the same limited assets, but the prices are higher. That's why asset prices rise. Stocks, gold, real estate, businesses, not because they become magical overnight, but because cash is quietly losing its value. So 2026 is all about asset owners versus the cash holder. So who feels the pinch and who celebrates? So with this, who will win? So people who own productive assets, people who stay invested, people who understand what's actually happening, and who will likely to lose, people sitting on excess cash, people waiting for perfect clarity, people who confuse safety with progress. Focus on trends and sectors with pricing power, but obviously do your research or consult your advisor before investing in 2026. What's your take? Drop it in the comments.